In today's video, I'll be talking about Invention in F major by Bach. In my view, it has very dynamic character. That's why I like to play it relatively fast, compared to many other inventions in the book. Of course, you might imagine it in different tempo, and that's totally fine. In any case, I recommend practicing it in slower tempo for a decent amount of time. If you need different fingerings, you can check the description. I will put the sheet music including the fingerings I'm playing with. What I really like about this beginning is that it starts with silence. If you struggle with the rhythm, especially when you play with both hands, it might be very likely because you play the first F with an accent or too loud. This invention is written in 3/4. I believe that the most logical way to play it would be with the first beat stronger and the second and third beats softer. As you see, there is a break at the beginning. But let's for a moment assume there was an F. Then I would definitely start with an accent to expose the first beat a little. So a little accent with the first F and the second F much softer. When we remove the first F, we still keep the same dynamic plan and therefore start softly. Breathing would be a very effective tool here. Try taking kind of fast but deep breath on the first beat. Then try playing softer immediately. I wanted to clear this up because the same situation will appear for 3 more times in the piece, with both right and the left hand. Let's approach with the same plan to each of them. Now I will play the whole first phrase, so the first 12 bars, only the right hand. I will play every first beat a little stronger. It's not bad, but maybe we could modify these accents a little and change their volume or intensity, or even avoid some of them. Now I will try playing a little differently. I will start with a strong accent in the 4th bar, less strong accent in the 5th bar, and relatively soft accent at the 6th bar. I would play only the first 16 note in each bar with an accent, so immediately softer after that. Next section, starting in the 7th bar, I will start very soft and build it up towards the next bar. 8th bar naturally will start with an accent, and after that I would constantly play softer until bar 11. Here I would play 3 accents at first, second and third beat, and finish the phrase gently at bar number 12. I think it sounds way more interesting in this way. Before trying with both hands together, let's go back again and check what does the left hand have. Actually, it is almost completely the same as the right hand. I would pretty much apply the same idea to the left hand. Start softly, 3rd and 4th bar add accent on the first beats, strong accent, less strong accent, soft accent. Very soft start and build up. Start with an accent and go softer constantly until bar number 12. Now I will play both hands together, slightly slower so you can hear easily how they respond to each other. This is already good enough for me. Alright, let's go for the next part. The ideas from the previous part are completely valid here as well. I will play next 12 bars only with the right hand. I want to have more contrast here, comparing to the previous part, so I will do some changes with the dynamics. First 2 bars I will play bravely, and then go suddenly very soft with the 16 notes. I will keep playing gently 1 more bar, then play powerful again for the next 2 bars. I will make contrast again by playing soft the next 2 bars, and from this point on I will build it up gradually. I'm still playing the first beat with an accent in every bar, although they are much softer now. I want to play this middle section full of contrasts. So now I will play the left hand with the same dynamics, then we will put them together to see the bigger picture. Let's play them together. To me this sounds pretty exciting actually. Let's go further. I will play the rest of the piece with the right hand first. At this point, I really like to go softer after previous build-up. In this way, I will have the possibility to make it feel very intense with a new build-up, which will go on 4 bars. I suggest doing it very gradually, so you don't end up playing extremely loud at the end. From this point on, it is a good idea to calm down. In the end, you can slow down so that it's clear this is the ending. Alright, let's try playing the left hand. I will play with the same dynamics as the right hand is playing. Now let's put them together. Alright guys, we went through the whole piece now. I recommend you to try everything with separate hands first, in order to focus on them separately. Play slower at first, then try gradually faster as you get comfortable with it. Now I will play the whole piece through. I will play what is the optimum tempo in my taste. I would play it in this tempo only when it's completely prepared. Alright, let's go for it.